We're starting the Shur on Tefila. We got to Volition. Now we're going to talk today about the Kedusha of the Desidra. Now, what's that? We say Volition. We said the first Butukim. Ata Kadosh Yosef Israel. We say Ata Kadosh. You are holy. Yosef Israel. The one who sits in the praise of Israel. Who sits and gets the praise of Israel. Then we say the Pasuk Yeshaya Navi that the Malachim they call upon each other. Kadosh, 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 Hashem Tzavakot. Holy, the holy, Hashem Tzavakot, Hashem of the legends. And the earth is full with His honor and power. Then we say then we're going to say the Targum of it, the translation of it. Now, before getting into details, that what is this? That's called Kedusha Desidra. Now, what's the importance of this Kedusha that we say? We said Kedusha, right, by Yotze, we say Kedusha by Nagdisha. What's the point of this Kedusha? Again, third time we say this Kedusha. Now, this is Gemara in Sota. The Gemara in Sota says, the Mishnah says, Omar Rishua, that after Churban Bet HaMikdash, every day we have curse. But Bet HaMikdash was there to prevent the curse, bring the blessing of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Once we are lacking the Bet HaMikdash, Hashva Bet HaMikdash, what's going to happen on the nature and the earth? What happens? The corruption becomes greater and greater, but the curse of the world becomes greater and greater. On that, Rabbah says, not only every day we have cares, it's more than that, Rabbah says. Rabbah says, every day the cares increases, becomes greater and greater. How do you know that? Because it says in the Klalot, because the Kilala in the Kirsta of Parshat Torah says, at night you say, I wish it was day. It was spoken, it was morning. Now the Gemara says, hi, Boker. At night you say, I wish it's spoken morning. Which morning? If it means morning of tomorrow, how does he know that would be better? Maybe it's worse. Ella the Khalif. But it's talking about Moker that passed. Therefore, at night, he would say, oh, I wish it was the morning. It was much better. No, what do you see? What do you see? You see at the night, the Kilala is even greater than the Kilala of the morning. Therefore, that is Rabbi saying. No, the Gemara says, obvious question. If that's the case, how does the world stand? Because every day, if the inflation is the increase of curse, therefore the case should take all over and everything should be destroyed. Now the Gemara says, unbelievable point. You think about what decreases, what takes away the curse is a machrod of achronim. Ben Yoda, Ben Shchai says this eliminates everything. Some achronim say, no, it makes a balance that the world should not be destroyed. But Ben Shchai says, this Kedusha, the Desidra, what we're doing, it eliminates everything, takes away all of the cares. Now, what is Chayam? Kedusha, the Desidra, the Gemara is saying that the world stands on Kedusha, the Desidra. Or what does Kedusha, the Desidra mean? Kedusha, the Desidra, Rashi says, Kedusha, the Desidra means, the Kedusha that they were attacked by Volition here, right after the double. Now, why? This is more important than Natisha and the Kedusha that we say by Yotze. How come the Gemara is not saying those Kedusha who do the job? This Kedusha, that's the job. Rashi tells us unbelievable Kedush, that this Kedush should be taken and to be understood right before Shavuot, because it's a very important Kedush taken. Because why they were attacking this Kedusha? Really, we said Kedusha in Yotze, and we said Kedusha in Nagdisha. Why they were attacking this Kedusha? And especially after that, we read the translation of that Targum of that Aramid also. Why? In other words, they were attacking it because the Persian should be Oskin Betorah, Bechol Yom, Davar Moa, Shomer Chiliyot, because they wanted, the intention was that all the Hal Israel together, they should learn Torah. Because here, they learn the Pasuk, they don't understand the Pasuk, but they learn the Aramid of it. Through Aramid, they understand the Pasuk, they understand Oskin Betorah. In other words, a little bit or Oskin Betorah. We keep on showing Bechol Israel. with Talmidim Ubame Haaretz, because this is unique. We have all the Har Israel, the Talmidei Chachamim and regular people. All together, they come and they learn Torah. There are two elements here. Kedusha Hashem, the Talmud HaTorah. We sanctified the name of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, the fact that all of us, we come together. We don't say, oh, these people are not for us. We can learn with them. Who are these people? We have to be the lead. We have to have our own, We come, everybody together, the Hazar comes together and learn Prat Hashem. Shtem Kedushat Hashem, the Talmud Torah. They sanctify the name of Hashem and this Talmud Torah, Chavivu. That is chiba, that's endearment to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, that no matter what corruption is out there, what curses are there, this eliminates all of the curses that's in the Bria. What? Two elements. One element is we are talking about Torah. The other element is that all the Harisah together and they're one thing and one thing to learn the same Torah together. And that's Chavivu, and that's it. And the Chel Yeshem Rabbah Mevarach She'onin Acha Haggadah. And also Yeshem Rabbah Tzor Shedoshin Ador Yeshem Rabbim, because before every Shabbat they had to do Drasha Berabim. And after that, everybody was there. It was Talmidei Chachamim, Amares. It's the unity of Am Yisrael. All together, they learn Torah, and then they say Kaddish, and they say that they say Yeshem Shoyu. Rashi says, because that day of the Melacha, everybody comes. Again, Yeshem Rabbah, there is Torah and Kedusha Hashem both together. Everybody accepts the Malchut of Hashem. And that is what it does. Therefore, unbelievable Yesod, right before Shavuot, we learn that when we have a Beit Midrash, we have some place that everybody comes together, and then Torah is a Torah wrapping, has such a zechud and merit to eliminate all of the cares. A lot of times we feel that there is a lot of cares, a lot of kurbanim is around. How should we take care of it? How should we do it? What takes care of that? Now, there's a Gemara here, the Gemara in Sotah, Memchet Amud Aleph, that the Gemara is saying that the fact that it does it to sanctify the name of HaKadosh Baruch Hu and to have Torah of wrapping. This is one of the messages of Shavuot to take and to get ready for Shavuot.